ADS-B is something I've dabbled with in the past and recently had a renewed interest in. So I just thought I'd show you how you can set up to decode ADS-B. But before we do that, let's just refresh ourselves as to what ADS-B is. ADS-B stands for Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast, and it's a system where an aircraft measures its position via satellite navigation or other sensors, and it periodically broadcasts that position, enabling it to be tracked. These positions are transmitted by the aircraft on 1090 MHz, that's 1.090 GHz, that's a high frequency. Now, we can receive ADS-B ourselves, but what do we need to receive it? We need a suitable receiver, obviously. SDR radios are ideal because they normally cover up into the higher frequency ranges. An RTL-SDR or similar is perfect for receiving ADS-B transmissions. Obviously we need an antenna. Now, to get started, a simple vertical will suffice, and even mounted indoors you should be able to receive enough signal to get you started and start seeing some aircraft transmissions. And obviously we need software to decode the transmissions. If you already have an SDR Play device, then you can use the SDR Uno software, which has a built-in plugin for ADS-B's reception, and we'll see a quick demo of that in a moment. There are other alternatives if you don't have an SDR Play device, but let's see how I got on with my SDR Play and SDR Uno. What we can do with a basic setup with the RSP1A and this little computer I'm using in Shack 2, and we'll see if we can pick up any aircraft ADS-B signals. We're just using a disc cone antenna which is connected to the RSP1A here, and there's about 20 feet of RG58 that runs up into the loft above the garage shack here. And what I'll do, I'll start up SDR Uno. A couple of relays clicking or clicking on the HF rig there. So we've got SDR Uno, and what we've already done the last time I used SDR Uno is on the plugins here I selected the ADS-B plugin and I loaded that. That switches the receiver straight on to 1090, which is the ADS-B frequency. We just need then to press the play button here, and you'll see that the spectrum is coming up. It's a very weak signal there, you might see in the waterfall. But the other thing we need to do is over here in this window, we need to start here, and you'll see instantly we're picking up a couple of aircraft. So we're getting some signals. You can't see much on the waterfall, but there is a faint trace there, and that's enough to result in those three signals. Now, I've got this plotted out on a program called Virtual Radar, so we'll just start up Virtual Radar and just open that up, and in a moment that gives us some statistics, the aircraft that we're tracking and the total messages. But even better, by clicking on the link there, we should be able to bring up a map, and you can see we've got a map here with the aircraft plotted. We can manipulate the map a bit, bring it up and down. Now there we are, we've only got one plotted at the moment. Got a very basic system here because, as I say, we're using a disc cone which is only probably about 12 feet off the ground above my head here in the garage shack, and we've got a length of RG58 attached to that, which is far too lossy really for 1090. I'd probably do better with the sort of setup I've got in the main shack with a smaller antenna, tuned for 1090, and less run of coax. But this is what can be achieved. Now, there's many ways we could improve this setup and track a few more aircraft, particularly from my setup at home. And you'll be seeing that in a future video. But just a quick and easy way, if you've got an SDR Play device, or even if you've got an RTL dongle, you can do this with an RTL dongle. You can track aircraft. If you're close to an airport, an airfield, a heliport, whatever, you'll get better results than I will here. And the better your antenna, the better your results are going to be. So well worth a try if you've got an SDR Play device. That's tracking aircraft 1090 on a basic discount in the loft.